Hey folks, Rob from Feedbackwrench. If you are a customer of ours and we're doing any video production, we have a tool using Vimeo in order to get your feedback on a video that we've created. What we will do is we'll send you an invite to the reviewer tool within Vimeo. And here's how you're going to use that. All you do is you log into that unique review link and you can come in and you can actually watch the video. And let's just say you pause it on an area that you have concern about or you wanted to provide feedback or even an encouragement. Once you hit pause at whatever frame you are throughout the entire video, you'll simply click and you'll be able to add comments that we will be able to see. So all you'll do is provide comments throughout the entire video, and we will see those comments. Our production team, Byron and myself, and anybody else that we have working on your project will be able to see it. This is how we make it really easy for you to provide fast, efficient feedback. We appreciate your business. Thank you so much. God bless and good luck.